look at the trading session first on an individual basis. We'll talk about the week in a bit. If you take a look at what the Nifty has done, a 0.3% cut is something that we've seen. We started pretty okay, but we've seen a nosedive coming in from the day's high. 25,350 thereabouts is something that we're even struggling to hold on to right now. So about an 85-point cut coming in on the Nifty spot, 0.3% lower. Sensex seeing slightly more intensified cuts coming in about 0.5% lower, and as is the case with Nifty Bank as well. So you have HDFC Bank. We've seen a 20 lakh shares block deal taking place just a few minutes ago. So HDFC Bank is the stock under pressure right now. A 1.1% cut coming in on the HDFC Bank, largely leading the Nifty Bank in the red right now. On the flip side, if you take a look at what the individual gainers and losers have been like today, all eyes have been on the Adani group of stocks. Adani Power, the biggest gainer from that basket, a 13% uptick coming in on that stock. Adani Enterprises, Adani Energy, you have Adani Green, Adani Total Gas. All of these stocks have been big performers, including Adani Ports in today's trading session. But Adani Powers is the stock of the day in the entire basket of all the Adani group of stocks. 13.5% uptick is something that we're seeing on that front. Followed by that, you have SBI Life, IndusInd Bank, Shriram Finance, Bharti Airtel, SBI. That was some of the top gainers from the Nifty 50 group of stocks. On the flip side, some big pressure on HCL Tech, a 1.5% cut, similar for M&M, Titan Trent, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Auto, Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank. So largely, if you take a look at which the top sectoral gainers have been today, it's the case of PSU Bank, up 1.5%, lost all its luster yesterday, but regained that in just one trading session. Top sectoral gainer with likes of Union Bank, UCO, Canara, PSB, Central Bank, all of them doing very well. That followed by Energy, Realty, Pharma, Metal. You had IT under some pressure, 0.3%, but the biggest cuts across Bank, FMCG, Auto and IT, where FMCG stocks, let's talk about them. Names like Colgate, Nestle, HUL, Britannia, ITC, United Breweries, all of them under pressure in today's trading session. So while that was the take coming in on the day, of course, Paytm was also another stock that was beaten down today. For the week, even despite the cuts today, Nifty has managed to close above that 1.5% intraday gain coming in, still in the positive on a week-to-date basis. So that's the take on the market for today, as well as the course of the week. With that, we'll wrap it up on this edition of today, as well as this week's closing on closing trades. Thanks so much for tuning in.